Hi friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept. Today's topic of discussion is routes of drug administration in the parenteral dosage form. In this video, we will going to discuss about different routes of administration of drug. The first is intravenous. Intravenous administration is nothing but the drug is administered into the vein. Second is intramuscular. The drug is administered into the muscle. So next route of dosage form is subcutaneous route, that is SC. That is the drug is administered under the skin. The next route of administration is intradermal. That is nothing but the drug is administered into the joint. Intra-articular is the drug is administered into the joint fluid area. And next is intra-osseous, that is the drug is administered into the bones. Intracerebral route is nothing but drug is administered into the brain of the cerebral. Next route of administration is intraspinal, that is drug is administered into the spinal column of the human body. And intrathecal is nothing but the drug is administered into the spinal fluid. Next route of form is intra-articular, that is drug is administered into the arteries. Next is drug is administered into the cardiac, that is intracardiac, that is into the heart. Last dosage form is last route is endotracheal, that is down the trachea. These are the different routes of administration of the parenteral dosage form. Thank you.